Bane?
Speak of the devil and he shall... forget it.
Good morning, Bane.
Let's not stand on ceremony. Your truck is ready.
Well, I'd like to start it up and hear how it's running first.
I'm on your schedule, Mr. Daninator. What a lovely, lovely sound.
It's running pretty good.
This great machine, it will endure. It will survive. Now is the time for the bill's reckoning.
$538? $538.
The price to pay for your liberation.
Well, that's a steep price. No, I'll give you $450.
It would be extremely painful.
You'll manage.
For you.
All right, fine. I'll give you the $538. But you got to wash my truck.
You'll pay the extra charge.
I've paid you a small fortune.
And this gives you a power wash from me?
All right. I'll pay. I'll take my receipt and be on my way. Even though your rate's too high. Thanks for fixing my truck. Jeez, the only person I know that can afford this place is Bruce Wayne.
Come on, brother. The rate rises. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow man. Subscribe to the Detonator. Pardon me, subscribe to the Daninator. You see what I did there? Subscribe to the Daninator channel. Or not. The choice is yours. Hey, brother. You know that thumbs up icon looks remarkably like someone pushing a detonator. Speak of the devil and he shall... forget it.
Sorry. Yeah, forget it. That was great.